Breakfast is usually a quiet time in our house. Not always. Good morning.
Morning.
What? Oh, sorry, morning. Where's Matt?
In bed. Why?
He owes me £10.
Oh.
He doesn't start work until 1 today.
Oh, yeah. Okay, see you later.
You need some breakfast. Have a slice of toast.
Good idea. Can I? Thanks.
Hey, it's my toast.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy my breakfast.
Hello?
Matt, it's Jane.
Hello?
Matt? It's Jane.
Hi.
Listen, Matt, I need your help. I can't find my purse and it has my cash card and everything in it. I think it's in the kitchen. Could you look for it?
Okay. Hold on. Okay, I'm in the kitchen.
Can you see it?
No. Sorry.
Is there anything on the table?
There are some plates, there's Helen's mug, but no purse.
How about on the work surfaces?
I can't see it. There's only the newspaper.
Could you look under it?
Okay. I've got it.
Oh, thanks, Matt. I was really worried. Can you put it on the kitchen table? I can pick it up later.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. My keys! I don't believe it! Matt, answer the door, please.
Tenant and Low, David Price speaking.
Oh, David, thank heavens you're there.
Jane, what's wrong?
Everything. First I couldn't find my purse, so I couldn't get any money from the bank. And now I'm outside the house and I can't find my keys.
Where's Matt?
He was at home before, but he's not here now.
I can't get away at the moment, but I'll try to come back in about 20 minutes. Is that okay?
That's brilliant. Thanks, David.
No problem. See you later.
Bye.
Are you okay, Jane?
Oh, Simon. Hi.
What's the problem?
I don't have my keys. They're in the house. But I think I can get in through that window.
No, you can't. It's too dangerous. I'll do it.
Okay. Thanks. Be careful.
Hi, Jane.
Hi, Matt. Matt? Where were you?
I was here.
Couldn't you hear me?
Sorry.
It's okay, Simon. Matt's here. He was at home all the time. You can come down now.
No, I can't. I think I'm stuck.
Hello, Simon. You all right?
No, I'm not.
Oh dear.
Can somebody help me, please?
David and Matt rescued Simon in the end. But we didn't see Simon for a few days after that. I think he was a bit embarrassed.